In this video, we are going to see how we can get the multiple answers by using a simple single formula in XLOOKUP. So here in this example, we have all these unique customers with different names and revenue, profit, new customers, and rating. So all of this database is available. Now you can consider it like a student information, hotel reservations, customer details, or whatever is the data. If you have a lot of unique database and you want to create a simple search here, we have written a customer, we have written a couple of customer names, and we want to extract their relevant profit, new customers, and rating. What we can do, because we just want to apply a single formula and that should be applied to all. It's a very powerful tool. I'll just write equal to XLOOKUP. I want to look up this customer because we need to extract the details regarding this. Lookup array. Where will this customer details be found in the original database? Original database is this. So lookup array is a single column. I'll just choose this, comma. Return array. Since we want three kind of answers, we want the profit, new customers, and rating all together. So I'll just select these three columns, or let's start selecting from here, profit, new customers, and rating, comma. If not found, I don't need to mention this, or otherwise just open the inverted commas and put a dash and then close it. And this is exact match. Hit enter and you will see the magic that it will be spilled through all of these cells. If you see this, this is grayed out. That means you cannot change it from here. It works with a single cell. So if we double click to send it down, it will be sent down for all the other columns as well. So that's a powerful formula. Let's check the results. So we have these details. Let me just paste it above just to check. We have all of these details. Profit is this for Hannah Cook. New customers are 14 that this customer is engaged. New customer is 14 and 5-star. Okay, so that's perfect. Let's make this salespersons. So all of this is salespersons. They have earned this certain revenue. They have engaged the new customers and they have got these ratings. So sales persons or service staff, whatever you want to write. So that's more accurate. So that's how we can apply a single XLOOKUP formula to get multiple answers in Excel. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.